How to delete your iPhone wallpaper through settings. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Misnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your wallpaper on your iPhone. Well, if you're trying to look for the option on the settings, then unfortunately the option is not available on your settings. The option is actually available, but it's a bit tricky. So first thing first, you want to go ahead and lock your iPhone, right? Once you have locked it, you can simply go ahead and tap on it and open it up, this lock screen. Then you want to tap and hold on your lock screen here, and as you can see, it should ask you for your password. So you want to tap and hold and keep holding until it asks you for your passcode. And once you do so, once you enter in the passcode, you can see this pop-up will appear here. You can see your set of wallpapers here. Simply head over to the wallpaper that you wish to delete, then swipe it upwards, and down below you can see delete icon there popping up. You can tap on delete and go ahead and delete it. This is how you can delete your iPhone wallpaper. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.